Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are good. Today I am going to show you all how to prepare mozzarella cheese. It is easy to prepare, just you have to follow the steps carefully. Before starting the video, if you not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon for the notification on my coming videos. Thank you. Take 2 liters of milk, heat it on low flame, stir it continuously. Check the temperature of milk. Keep on checking until the milk is hot. Put your finger to check when it reaches your temperature, where your finger should not burn but experience heat. At that point, add 7 tablespoons of vinegar. Add the vinegar and stir the mixture. It's a slow process and will take time. Slowly you can see curds forming. Turn up the flame. Continuously stir the mixture. Take it out in a strainer, remove the excess water. Squeeze the leftover water using your palms. It takes 5 to 6 minutes. Now in hot water, add 1 tablespoon of salt. Mix them. Add the cheese in the water. Keep the cheese in this hot water for 5 to 6 minutes. It will increase the elasticity of the cheese. Take it out and remember the cheese will be hot. Keep it aside for a minute. Take out and keep stretching. Keep stretching as I shown in the video. Again put it in the hot water for 10 to 12 seconds. Keep stretching. We have to do this process for 4 to 5 times. When the cheese will become smooth, make a cheese ball and put inside cold water. Leave it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, take it out, drain the water. Put it inside the cling film and cover it. Put it in a container and refrigerate. Or you can freeze it too. The amazing cheese is ready. Do try this recipe at home and send your feedbacks in the comment below. Hope you all like it. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye. Allah Hafiz.